When riding at night, rider visibility is very limited. When Revo lights came out, I immediately wanted a pair because it was the only wheel-mounted design that was visible from all angles, but they were incompatible with the mountain bike I used to own. So I set out to make my own lights. I bent some aluminum into a circle, screwed it together, measured LED strips, cut them into 60-degree arcs, glued the LED strips to the aluminum, soldered, glued some wires, soldered more, applied heat shrink tubing, and then finally had my own light rings. I zip tied the light rings to the wheels and connected them to my Arduino control circuit. Now it was time for programming. I made a software state machine in Lucidchart that had 4 states. Upon initial power up, 2 arcs light up to help orient the reed switch. Spinning faster than 7 miles per hour will trigger the light arc. At a full stop, there will be an idle animation for 30 seconds, then the microcontroller will go into low power sleep mode.